saya ko po kapag Foodie Fridays dahil ang ating last segment, titikman na natin ang pagkain na ginawa natin. So, alright, wag na natin patagalan. Greggy, we made your adobo omelette. Alright, Tita Marissa, anong kailangan?
Hello!
Oh! Ayan, meron tayong tinidor. Okay, tikman na natin. At alam mo naman sa mga Pilipino, okay lang ang family style, di ba?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's all try it together. Go ahead. Because there's rice, it's really a complete meal.
Yeah, totally.
Yes.
And the egg. So instead of making just egg on the side, just
Put it
make
all
it in
together.
one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. That's one thing you can do with your leftover adobo, right? And
Yes.
your rice as well.
Yeah.
Para hindi nagsasayang ng pagkain, ano?
ng kanin.
At hindi nagtatapon ng pagkain.
Yeah, that's what Mom always said growing up. Don't waste your food.
Tama, di ba?
Oh,
Kasi sa Pilipinas, hindi ka pwedeng magtapon ng pagkain dahil syempre maraming hindi nakakakain doon, di ba?
Maraming taong gustong kumain, walang pagkain.
Tama. Meron pa po kayong pamilya sa Pilipinas?
Meron mga far distant relatives.
Oo, pero lahat nandito na. Oh, okay. All right. Well, that was delicious. And now, let's move on to our dessert. Ang ganda naman ng packaging. Pero, Greggy, ano ba yan?
This, it's chocolate covered, but then this is choknut.
Choknut! Oy, Filipino ka talaga!
Oo.
You know he's Filipino when he says choknut.
Gusto niya yun.
Oo naman.
Addicted, yeah.
Yeah, choknut. Anybody who's Filipino knows what choknut is, right? It's like a chocolate peanut
Mixture,
yeah,
yeah.
of powder. Okay, so tikman natin yan.
Yeah, try it.
Siyempre, Mami Marissa, ikaw po muna, di ba?
And you can get creative with it. You could add other types of candy bars or chocolate bars to it. You can do
yeah.
them, since it's fall, you can put fall sprinkles on them. It doesn't have to be just plain polvoron.
When it's chocolate covered, it's delicious. I want to thank you, Greggy, for being here. And I know you made us something really special. Please bring it out.
Yeah, this is for you.
Look at this! How beautiful is that? Maraming salamat po sa pagnood nyo ng Foodie Fridays. Maraming salamat, Greggy and Mommy Marissa, for being here for Foodie Fridays. I couldn't have done it without you guys. And I wish you all the best and all the luck. I'm here to support you 100%.
Thanks, G.
Thank you so much for tuning in to Foodie Fridays here on Kababayan Today. We'll see you all again soon. Happy Friday! Yay!